I hear beeping. Do you need quarters?
What?
I hear beeping. Do you need quarters?
I have a minute. I'm going to drive.
Okay.
We're going to slice it. Normally I wouldn't be keen to take one of these car wash brushes onto an Airstream, but I know that I'm going to be buffing him out and I need to repaint and touch up. There's a lot of other work that has to be done, and more than anything, I just need him to look kept, maintained at the campground where I'm staying for right now in Virginia. Super grimy. See, Andrew's trying to get some of that end cap. I need to repaint it with the Rust-Oleum silver in the color aluminum, and I plan to this summer at some point. Please like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment. It really helps our channel. At least he looks better. Like he winks with one wiper going. Done. 30 seconds.